Hey everyone, welcome to Dubventures and welcome to another video. If this is the first video that you've watched so far, where have you been? We've done so many exciting things. We're also with our friends Conrad, he's in his van, with Scott, he's in his van. And like I said, we've got a lot of places that we're going to today, so let's get on the road. Morning. We're just looking at the views.
They're getting overexcited about the views.
Yeah.
So today, anyway, right, what the plan is for today is we're going to Thurso because we need a supermarket because we're kind of running low on supplies. So we're going to restock, aren't we, Tom?
Yep.
Then we're going to go through Durness and we're going to go and look at the beach, Durness Beach, and then we're going to go and see Smoo Caves, and then we are going over to Sandwood Bay, so stay tuned for all of that.
So guys, in the previous video we mentioned that Scott, who is in front of us right now, we mentioned that his shock absorber, the bolt had come out and his shock absorber had dropped in, but he's lost the bolt and everything. Now we've been trying to see on our travels if there's any way that we can sort of get it replaced, and we've just been to a local workshop while Brooke and that was in Tesco, and basically the guys, really helpful, just said bring your van up. He said if we can't find one we'll make you one, so we're just going to go and have a look and see if we can get it sorted. You want to show us what it is that exactly?
This is what we broke out up the road.
So obviously, as you can see, the bolt's missing and the bush is missing, so
it's meant to be like that.
These guys will be able to...
Going to see if we can get a new bushing made, poly bush made.
So we've managed to get it sorted. It's just going to take a bit of time. You're having a new bush put in, and the bolts, they've got everything here, so that's fantastic. So we're going to get that done and then we're going to get on the road. Just had to pull over, check the view out.
Weather's like not doing very well. It's absolutely chucking it down.
Is it how the weather in Scotland can change so quickly? Had to pull over here, guys. Look at that.
see that? Did you see that? No rain and sunshine. Woo!
It's home for the night. Yes. So quick update on your van. Everything's sorted into it. We got it sorted. We found a local place and
Yeah, Charlie Angus, top man.
Yeah.
I will recommend in Thurso.
Yeah, Thurso.
In Thurso, top man.
Yeah,
4x4 specialist, everything.
Yeah.
Put the bushes back in.
Yeah.
I refitted everything. 15 minutes, we were done. So it's well worth looking for places rather than panicking, pick up truck. That's of course if you know
what you're doing. Like I have said, you know, in the other video when this happened, Scott is mechanically minded, so he knows what he's doing, and you knew it was okay to keep going.
Yeah.
But now that it's back to how it was,
100% now.
it's better now. So
Yeah.
Okay,
So all the right fittings are back in there with improved bushes. So job done.
excellent. What have we not had on this road trip so far?
A dubventures toasty.
Yes, so that's what we're having now, a dubventures toasty.
So you might think it's really dark outside and think it's really late. It's actually not, because it's November. It's like not even 5 o'clock yet.
Still in bed, she's hiding over there. We're up bright and early this morning. We've got a lot to do today, so we're up. It's early. Gonna get the radio switched on in a minute and see if the other guys are up. Morning, morning. Is anybody awake?
You have to go to sleep to get me awake.
Morning, Scott. How about Conrad? Is he awake? Is he up?
Say anything.
Nah, I don't think Conrad's up yet. So, how are you, Scott? Enjoy this windy weather last night?
Ferry crossing was nice.
The ferry crossing? Oh, I don't think we was up that early. So, right, we better get ready because we've got a lot to do today. Morning, guys. What a beautiful view to wake up to. What a well camping spot. Yes. We have a lot to do today. This is why we're up early. Hopefully the weather's going to stay dry. Well, hopefully it won't rain because, like I said, we've got a lot of exploring to do. We're staying at a campsite tonight. Morning, Scott.
Good morning, sir.
Brooke, the way we're staying.
Get out of my face.
Right there we go. Oh yeah, Brooke just woke up. She's like, get out of my face. So, how'd you sleep last night, Scott? Windy, wasn't it?
Very windy.
Ooh.
Outside as well, sir.
I know, there we go.
But look at that.
I know, I've just been saying what an amazing view.
Top draw.
So do you know what, guys? You're gonna have to wait till next week's video until you see where we go today. But like I said, lots to do today. Gonna be an exciting one, isn't it? So
Plenty of stops, good fun, great adventures.
exactly. What do they need to do?
Subscribe, click the like button, and hit that bell.
And until the next one, bye for now.